Digitalocean promo code. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on Digitalocean promo code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Digitalocean was founded in 2012 to meet the needs of developers who were looking for simple, affordable cloud computing solutions. Over the past decade, Digitalocean has evolved to serve both software developers and the small to medium-sized businesses that are the heart of innovation today. Now, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for bit.ly/get-digitalocean-deals. In the interface that you will be led to, you can see that you can get $200 to try Digitalocean and do all the below mentioned for free, that is, host website, build web application, build a container-based application, run open source applications. So simply go ahead and sign yourself in to get started and claim your offer. So this was about Digitalocean promo code. If you found the video helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.